attorney, nanalo po ako sa labor case ko. May decision na the problem is ayaw i-receive ng company yung address na pinag-receivan nila nung una kong complaint. Nirefuse nila yung padala ng labor para ma-writ for execution.
So, Miss MT, first and foremost, you have to seek the advice of your lawyer. Di ba? May lawyer ka. Your lawyer knows best. Kasi, based on your question, malinaw na natulungan kanyang manalo doon sa kaso. So, have faith in your lawyer. Your lawyer will assist you. So, yun na lang po, no? Now, however, one thing that you could do is to conduct research. Find out if your employer is still existing. Kasi it happens. This can happen in many labor cases that the employer has closed down. Pag nangyari po yun, of course, magkakaroon ng liquidation and dissolution of the company at yung mga creditors will be paid, and then sometimes there will be no assets left, no funds, no property left sa company, and so the situation will be is that even if you win a labor case, even you have a decision, and even if you have a writ of execution, you would not be able to collect on your winnings, on your awards, because the company has closed down and has no more properties or assets or funds to pay you. So that's the unfortunate thing. That's why it's also the advice of a lot of lawyers and even Department of Labor and employee official to consider amicable settlement of cases, because we don't want these things to happen, that after fighting out, litigating, submitting your position paper and all your evidence and all your arguments, at the end of the day, even after winning the case, you cannot get your just award. You cannot get your money claims, all because the company has closed down. Another situation is probably the company, if it's a foreign company, it already left the Philippines. It already went abroad, no? Closed down its local offices in the Philippines and went back to its home country. So that can also happen if the company is foreign owned. So what do? You have to go to the home country of that employer, of that foreign employer, and you have to file your claim in the courts of the home country. Like example, if it's in the United States, you have to go to the United States and go to the United States, a U.S. court, to say that in the Philippines, this employer has an obligation to pay me. Now, it's also possible that your company, the company, the employer, just moved to another address. So you have to do some detective work and try to find out the new address of the employer.